Today we are on page 129, lesson 18. If you need to pause the video at any time, you can do so. Okay, today we are adding fractions with like denominators and making it into a mixed number if possible. So let's look at A. We have 2/5 plus 3/5 plus 1/5. And they said that equaled 5/5 plus 1/5. So they said that also equals 1 whole plus 1/5. They broke apart, or they added together 2/5 plus 3/5, which made the 5/5. And when they added the 1/5, that made 1 whole. So 5/5 is equal to 1 whole. So we had 1. So our answer is 1 and 1/5. So let's look at B. 3/6 plus 1/6 plus 3/6. So we're going to combine 3/6 plus 3/6, which equals 6/6. We know that that equals a whole. If we add our other 1/6 to it, that means we have 1 whole plus 1/6, which equals 1 1/6. On the next one, 5/7 plus 7/7 plus 2/7. If we combine 5/7 plus 2/7, we have 7/7. And if we add that to 7/7, we know that each 7/7 is 1 whole, so 1 plus 1 equals 2 wholes. All right, the next one. We have 7/8 minus 3/8 minus 1/8. So, if we were to combine 7/8 and 1/8, then we get 6/8. And if we subtract 3/8, 6 minus 3 is 3, so we would have 3/8. All right, the next one, we have 7/9 plus 1/9 plus 4/9. So first, we have to think about, can we put any of these together? If I put 1/9 plus 4/9 together, I have 5/9. If I add that to 7/9, then 5 plus 7 would equal 12/9. Because it is improper, we're going to have to change that fraction to a mixed number. So we think, how many wholes can we take out? Well, we know 9/9 is 1 whole, and 3 wholes would be left over, so that 9/9 is 1 and 3/9. So 1 and 3/9 is our answer. The next one is 4/10 plus 11/10 plus 5/10. So if we decided that 11/10, and we take that 11/10 and leave it and have 4/10 plus 5/10, then we have 9/10 plus the 11/10. So now 9 plus 11 is 20/10. Because it's improper, we have to change it to a mixed number. So we have to think, how many times does 10 go into 20? Well, we could have 10/10. We could also make another 10/10. And 10/10 is a whole, so we would have 2 wholes. So our answer would be 2. Looking at the next one, we have 1 minus 3/12 minus 4/12. We have one whole that we need to change into a fraction. We look at our denominators and we see that both the denominators are 12. So one whole equals 12/12. Now we can take 12/12 minus the 3/12, and that would equal 9/12. Now we could take our 9/12 and minus the 4/12, and that would equal 5/12. So our answer is 5/12. Next one, we have 1/2 minus 1/3 minus 1/3. So we first need to combine the 1/3, which equal 2/3. Because we combined it, now we can subtract. So 1/2 minus 2/3 equals 1 whole. Next one, 10/12 plus 5/12 plus 2/12 plus 7/12. So we are going to combine 5/12 plus 2/12. 5 plus 2 is 7, so we have 7/12. And then if we add another 7/12, 7 plus 7 is 14, so we have 14/12. If we take our 10/12 and add 14/12, 10 plus 14 gives us 24/12. It is improper, so we have to change it to a mixed number. To do that, we're going to think how many 12s go into 24. Well, if we have 12/12, that's one whole, and we know that we could make another 12/12, which is another whole, so that means we have 2 wholes. All right, today you need to finish Lesson 18 Zearn and make sure you are working on your Zearn notebook and watching the video, and if you don't get finished, you should work at home on Zearn.